In first lecture for mathematical logic, we have to see the history of logic, sentence, statement, truth values, and exercise number 1.1 we solve at home to give answer for my separate number. Then next lecture is on logic connectives, compound statements, and truth values. We have to given two simple statements connected by the connective or connective and or if then and if and only if and not only. For these connectives we have to connect two simple statements. We have to given compound statements, then we have to take its truth values. Observe the following sentences. We have seen the following sentences. All roses are red and violets are blue. We have given two simple statements. Then for these two simple statements, we get the compound statements. First simple statement, we have to write P. All roses are red. All roses are red. Second simple statement Q. Violets are blue. These two simple statements, we have to connect the connective and is known as in logical conjunction. Of these types. Two simple statements connected by the connective and is known as conjunction. We have to connect two simple statements by the connective or is known as disjunction. If and only if, implication or conditional statement, and if then is known as implication or conditional statement, and if and only if is known as biconditional or double implication, and not is negation. Of these types we have to write first is conjunction. Of this type, the compound statement obtained by combining two given simple statements by using the connective and. We are given two simple statements, first Q, P and second Q. We have to join these two simple statements by the connective and is called the conjunction of the two given statements. Thus, if P, Q are two simple statements, then the conjunction is P and Q. This can be written as in logical P and Q. P and Q is defined to have truth value. P and Q means first simple statement and second simple statement. P is first simple statement, Q is second simple statement, and connective is and. We have the truth value true if both P and Q have the truth values true. First simple statement is true, that is P is true. Second simple statement Q is true, then its conjunction is true. In all other cases, P and Q is false. Only true if the two simple statements are true, then its conjunction is true. In all other three cases, conjunction is false. Right? Then we have to write the truth table for this conjunction. And we have to write the truth table for this conjunction, that is and. We know the sign. First column P statement, second column Q statement, and third column P and Q. Right? We know the P is first simple statement, Q is second simple statement, and P and Q is a compound statement, that is P and Q is a compound statement. We have to write the table of conjunction. First statement P is true, Q is true, then P and Q, that is its compound statement is true. Other three cases we know false, that is first statement true, second statement false, then its conjunction is false. First statement false, second statement true, and its compound statement is false. First statement false, second statement false, and its conjunction is false. Right? We know the first column T, T, F, F, second column Q, that is second statement T, F, T, F. This is the possibilities of the simple statements. No any other possibility for these two simple statements connected by the conjunction connective and, or, if and only if, and if then. Only these four conditions are available. We know first statement is true, second statement is true, first statement true, second false, first false, second true. Those two statements are false. Then the conjunction is true if two simple statements are true. In other three cases, conjunction is false, we know. Then of this type, we have to write the conjunction of P and Q may be written as the conjunction of simple statement first P and Q may be written as P and Q or Q and P. So to give one examples, for this example is solved. Translate the following statements into symbolic form. We have to give one statement. We have to write this statement in the symbolic form. After the statement दिलेले ते symbolic form मध्ये that is we have to write in mathematical logic form. We have to write mathematical logic form. For example, first Priya is girl and Samir is boy. Priya is a girl and Samir is a boy. We have to give on two simple statements. Solution of this compound statements, we have to write first let P. First P, simple statement is P. Priya is a girl. That is first simple statement in this first compound statement. Next simple statement Q. Samir is a boy. That is the second simple statement for this given compound statements. P and Q conjunction which connective कुठला या ठिकाणी and आहे, that is conjunction. P and Q is a symbolic form of the given statement. P and Q is this P and Q is the symbolic form of the given simple statement. Next, similarly, second example, Meena is tall. Meena is tall and beautiful. Meena is tall and beautiful. Solution of this compound statements, we have to write this symbolic form. This compound statement is right in the symbolic form is our example. Therefore, first simple statement of this compound statement is P. Meena is tall. Meena is tall, the first simple statement for this compound statement. Q. Meena is beautiful. That is the second simple statement, that is Q. Meena is the beautiful. Then we have to use connective conjunction. That is we have to give on because these are Meena is tall and beautiful, and is the conjunction. Therefore, P and Q is the symbolic form of the given statement. P and Q is the symbolic statement of the given statement. Of this type, we have to solve other examples. For this, solve examples. Then first we have to write conjunction, second disjunction. A compound statement obtained by combining any two given simple statements. By combining any two given simple statements by using the connective or. In conjunction we have used which connective? And. For disjunction we have to use which connection? Or is called the disjunction of two given simple statements. जर दोन सिंपल स्टेटमेंटला आपण ऑर ने कनेक्टिव्ह केलं तर त्याला डिसजंक्शन म्हणायचं. जर अँड ने कनेक्टिव्ह केलं तर कंजंक्शन म्हणायचं. दॅट इज द वर्ड ऑर इज यूज इन इंग्लिश लँग्वेज इन टू डिस्टिंक्ट सेन्स, exclusive and inclusive. Next, the truth value of the disjunction P or Q. The truth value of the disjunction P or Q depends upon the truth values of P and Q, as similar to conjunction. The truth values of the conjunction P and Q. In conjunction, the truth values of the conjunction P and Q depends upon the truth values of the P and Q. Similarly, the truth value of disjunction, that is disjunction means P or Q, depends upon the truth values of P and Q. The disjunction P or Q, this type we have write this type P or Q is false only when the P and Q are false. In other three cases, P or Q is true. For disjunction, first statement P is false, second statement Q is false, then its disjunction P or Q is false. In other three cases, first statement is true, second statement is true, first statement true, second statement false, first statement false, second statement true. In these three statements of the types, the disjunction is true and two simple statements are false connected by the or, then its compound statement is false. For this truth table for this disjunction, first column P, second column Q, P or Q, that is disjunction. First simple statement true, second simple statement true, then its disjunction is true. Conjunction is true when first statement true, second statement true, its conjunction be true. Of this type, the disjunction will be true. Next, first statement is true, second statement is false. Therefore, its compound statement is P or Q is true. First statement false, second statement true, F or T is T. That is, and F or F, first statement is false, second statement is false. That is, F or F is F. That means, if the two simple statements P and Q, two simple statements P and Q both are false, then its disjunction is false. In other three cases, the disjunction is true. That is, P or Q is true. That is, compound statement is true. For example, transform the following statements into symbolic form. Of the type, we have to see first for conjunction, for disjunction, transfer the following statements in the symbolic form. Taj Mahal is in Agra or Mumbai is in capital of Kerala. We know this compound statement. Taj Mahal is in Agra or Mumbai is the capital of Kerala. We have given two simple statements. First simple statement P. Taj Mahal is in Agra. Taj Mahal is in Agra. And second simple statement is Q. Second simple statement is Q. Mumbai is the capital of Kerala. Therefore, the symbolic form of the given compound statement is P or Q, because this is the, we have to join the compound statement for the two simple statement by connective or. Therefore, P or Q. Second simple compound statement is Raju will go to Pune or Nasik. Raju will go to Pune or Nasik. Or means disjunction. We know P or Q. Therefore, we have to take first simple statement P. We have to take first simple statement P. Raju will go to Pune. And Q simple statement will be Raju will go to Nasik. Hence, the given compound statement is first or second, that is P or Q. The given compound statement is P or Q. Next, compound statements. To transfer the statement in symbolic form, 4 or 5 students did not attend the lectures. 4 or 5 students did not attend the lectures. In this sentence, or is used for indicating approximate number of students. In this sentence, or is used for indicating approximate number of students and not as a connective. Therefore, it is simple statement and it is expressed as P. 4 or 5 students did not attend the lectures. 4 or 5 students did not attend the lectures.